On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, Minitruck? Helping do more reviews, are we? You enjoy that, don't you? Well, it's been too long. Let's go to Walmart, get some shopping done. Wallyworld, and drop off some key tags that people bought. Turn battery on. Waiting for the weather to warm up a little bit to take this e-bike out. Still got my Florida blood. And I got a TIG welder. Gonna have my buddy Gary do some welding with this because I suck at TIG welding. And he's gonna give me some lessons. Alright, Minnie. You see, I did put a fire extinguisher though, right? I probably should check the air pressure. I think that tire leaks a little. Oh yeah. Boy, I wish I had you in Florida. This dump bed would have come in handy. Getting rid of the M-Team van. Maybe I'll put that money into getting another mini truck in Florida. Because I can't take you down there. I need you up here. Let's see how you do. I know it's been, what, over a month and a half. Come on. Come on, Minnie. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Woo! Your carburetor must have totally evaporated the fuel out of it. We'll let you warm up a bit. Oh, you need some gas too, huh? Oh man. I didn't think I left you that empty. Supercharger's looking good. Had a tree come down. So we got some firewood. Thanks, Pete. Your special edition Black Sea tag is on its way. Huh. I think I smell fuel. A little bit of fuel. Bit leaking somewhere. Oh, it might be from this. Yeah. I think it is leaking from that. I knew I smelled a little fuel. Always gotta keep that nose. Sniffing away. I guess I don't have an adjustable? That's crazy. Nope. Guess I gotta do it this way. Was a little loose, huh?
That little truck's badass, man.
Thanks.
The guy here, he's got one, or had one. But it didn't. He wasn't lifted up. Didn't have the thing. Now he's got the van. It's two-wheel drive. He tries that. But this one's nice. I like how you got that front bar and stuff.
I got the van too. I turned it into the M-Team van. Yeah.
Nice. Enjoy your day, man.
You too. How can they not know MotoCheez, huh? Tell you, these glove compartments are too small. Now I need some heat, Minnie. I thought I smelled a little gas. Probably why it took so long to start, too. Oh wow, I need gas pretty bad. That's the first place we're going. Probably should have put some in at the house. You don't want none of the mini truck. That would explain why it took so long to start. I had to pump up the bowl and all that stuff. What the heck? The gas station's closed? What? Well, hope we make it to the next one. Oh goody, we're gonna hit every red light. Yep, every red light. Woo, we made it. Didn't run out of gas. We'll do the Ultra. You were thirsty. Definitely thirsty. Now Minnie's got a full belly. Have to check and see if it's leaking when I park. I don't smell any gas. Front row, Minnie. Looks good. I'm surprised it wet all that down in there, huh? That looks like it looks loose. Yeah, a little, huh? Cheese. You know what I think I need is like a little... need like a little bag to put all these tools in. It always falls out. Oh yeah, that was a little loose. Come on, Cheezo. Everything else looks fine. Little pen case, right? I'll look for that. Done shopping, Minnie. That's all I could find. I guess I should have looked in the makeup part. Throw it in there until I need to arrange it next time. Let's get the air horns on. I always forget. Low RPM. Oh, they want to race? Get him, Minnie. Could have had her if we knew. Good job, mini truck. It's always a pleasure to drive a mini truck. Shut the battery. Best tool I ever bought. I don't smell gas anymore. Think we got her. Don't forget to get your stylish, high quality MotoCheez key tag. Information's below. Or go to MotoCheez, EEZ.com.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.